Hey, hi team. So soon we are going to start DB2 CICS modules training. Soon means you might ask a question. When we are going to start? Yes. So we are going to start in July month. So we will be starting, DB2 plus CICS module training. So first we will discuss DB2 module. After that, we will discuss CICS module. And these two modules going to start from 10th July tentatively. And the timings would be 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST. So it is nothing but 2100 to 22 IST. And it is a only online training. It is online training. It's a virtual VILT, virtual instructor led training, VILT. So I'll be explaining through Zoom meet through Zoom. I'll explain the concepts of DB2 CICS. And the next point in this training, that the duration of these two modules, how many days you're going to take this training if you ask, it would be 1 month. Okay, it would be 1 month. In 1 month, I'll be completing DB2 and CACS modules. And you will get the server access, mainframe server access to practice. So if you attend this training, you can able to do hands-on also on DB2 module and CICS module. And what are the prerequisites? Okay, to attend DB2 CICS modules, you should know, you should have knowledge on TSO ISPF. Obviously, without ISPF, you cannot do anything. Okay, JCL is required, which is to compile to run the programs. VSAM is required. COBOL is required. If you know all these four modules, the DB2 and CICS will become more easy. It's a mandatory to know COBOL. Okay, so VSAM you can learn in meanwhile also, but COBOL is must to attend DB2 and CICS modules training, because we write the we write the DB2 programs in COBOL only. To write online application programs, we should know COBOL. Hence, COBOL is mandatory to attend this training. And what are the topics we are going to cover? If you ask me what are the topics we are going to cover, you can see here. We will start from here: introduction to DB2, DB2 architecture, components, DB2 objects, what is spoofy tool, how to write SQL command in spoofy and query management facility tool, and what are the data types in DB2, what is select command, create, update, delete, drop, select. All those commands we are going to see, and we will be discussing practically executing different SQL commands. And we will discuss about simple select, where condition, between, like, in, simple, in, joins, inner join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, and correlated queries, subqueries we are going to discuss in our training. So once you know all this part, then we will start then. After that, DCL gen, how to write the COBOL DB2 program, how to embed, how to include, select command, any SQL command in fact, select, insert, update, delete commands. And we will discuss how to do pre-compilation and how to compile the program, link edit, bind a plan, and differences between bind plan and bind package. Then after we will discuss how to handle the nulls, which is very important, and where character handling also. These two we will have to write integrate with the COBOL DB2 application program. After that, we'll discuss something called cursor handling, simple cursor, scrollable cursor, non-scrollable cursor, and how to integrate PS file. If I explain sequential file, you will be able to do with the any VSAM file. At the end, we will be not at the end, by the way. Okay, we are covering SQL error handling in the program, but when we are writing the program itself, I'll specify, I'll focus on how to handle the SQL error codes, which is very important topic in projects. When you are writing a program, we should do SQL error handling. Otherwise, it will not. Okay, so client may not allow, your managers may not allow, or it's not a good practice or good approach to deal without any error handling. Okay, we will be discussing all of them in our training. So once we complete all the topics, immediately, without any delay, we'll start CICS. So if you can see the topics, what I am going to cover in the CICS website, in the CICS module. By the way, if you want to refer, you can go to, this is our official website. Okay, mainframetrainings.com. This is our official website. Okay. So then you can see here CICS module topics, introduction to CICS, differences between online and batch application, what are the CICS entries, what are the IBM supply transactions, how to write COBOL CICS program, what is non-conversational program, conversational program, how to handle the CICS error code, CICS handling, how to handle the exceptions in COBOL CICS program, how we write pseudo conversation technique to optimize the performance of the application programs. Then we will discuss how we can integrate files in online application program. Similarly, DB2. At the end, we will discuss TSQ, TDQ, and paging logic also. We will learn how to debug the CICS programs. This is very, very important. So all these topics we are going to see practically. Okay. So if you have any queries at any moment, okay, you can go to our video YouTube channel. Okay, we can go to our YouTube channel. So this is our YouTube channel, Venkat since 2010. You can refer playlist for different mainframe videos. If you want to see initial two videos of kicks, in old batch videos, that also you can see here. So you can go to the videos, you will see a lot of things in this. Almost 300 plus videos are there on different topics. Okay. So you can go through it. Mainframe interview scenario questions, kicks, everything is present. You go through it. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me on my contact number. So this is our contact number. And you can WhatsApp me on this number or you can call me. This is my email ID. You can find our YouTube channel by clicking on this also. So if you want more details about this DB2 CSS module training, you can WhatsApp me. I can share more details about this. So thanks a lot. Thank you, team. Share with your friends also about our training.